first ever unboxing, unwrapping, and I'm super elated to say that it's with Volie Chic. They're so sweet. I just love the brand. I love the owner, and she's amazing. I don't know if she wants me to mention her name, so I'm just gonna say she because it's a sister. But I love the brand and I love the scarves that I got. So they sponsored me by sending me free hijabs. They didn't pay me, but I just want to get started with open this because I'm super excited. First time ever trying the actual jersey style material and also the undercaps. And I have my first chiffon here, which is an olive green. Ooh, I can't wait. Okay, so I'm just excited because I get to utilize these for shoots, and I'm going to show you guys what I do. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you can actually see some of the editorials I shot with my photographer in New York. His name is Julius July NYC, and the clothing fashion line I'm wearing is Janaki. So it's Volie Chic, me, Julius July, and Janaki, a crazy collaboration in Brooklyn. So I'm super excited to show you guys the scarves in their entirety because they're out of the package. Look at this situation, guys. Got the rainforest, chiffon, brown sugar, cotton. This one, Supreme. So, got the t-shirt brown. Need that for my, when I'm wearing my situation because I'm very, very tomboy. Y'all know. I need that sweating purposes. These are some colors for my head. Okay, I can get my sister one. Then I have a t-shirt for we're gonna do some looks with these. I'm excited. Appreciate you guys for watching this video. Just stay tuned to the end so you can see the photos and how I put these hijabs together and styled them with the designer I mentioned earlier. Enjoy!